Hi friends, welcome to the Mermaid Mystery Swap. I'm so excited about this. I have co-hosted this with my friend Jessie at Jessie Journals and Unboxes. And this is my first swap. And I want to give a thank you to Jessie for helping me navigate a swap because I had never done one before. So this has been a lot of fun. I love the mermaid theme. It's perfect for summertime. So I thank you for being here. I'm going to do the unboxing of what my partner, who was Jessie, of what she sent to me. And I also want to thank the participants. Please go by their channels and check out what their partners sent to them and give them some crafty love. I want to let you know who all the swap partners are. But I want to mention to you that they are also listed in my description box below. Of course, myself and Jessie, Side Gig Crafts, Crafting Rose, Cindy A. Lewis, Scrapbooks and Memories, It's a Deal, Kawaii Memo Love, Stay Stace, and Paper Confessions with Karamia. So go check them out, give them some love. All right, my friends, let's go see what Jessie sent. So this is a beautiful card from Jessie, and this looks like, it feels like a photograph, I should say, and I wonder if perhaps she took this photo, and it's absolutely beautiful. Dear Jovi, thank you so much for inviting me to participate in this collaboration and for being my swap partner. There are 2 extra items that go with the main item. I hope you enjoy my creations. Sincerely, Jessie. Aw, thank you, Jessie. I can't wait to get into it. I'm so excited. Also, before we truly get into this, I want to mention to you guys what we were supposed to swap with each other. A chunky chain, keychain, or tassel. 3 handmade embellishments, clusters, or twinchies, 3 charms or a sequin pack, a surprise mystery item. So this is officially called the Mermaid Mystery Swap because of the mystery item that's somewhere in this box. Also, a handmade greeting card or a fancy tag, and an ATC. So let's get into this and see what we've got in our first package. I love the way she packaged everything. It's so pretty. I do like to tear my paper. I know some of you guys like to preserve it, but you know, and sometimes I do, but sometimes I just like to tear. Ah, this is so cute. I love it. It's so pretty. Look at that bag. Oh, let me get into it. Ah, look, it's so cute, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. And it's for like a little travel bag. You can put your makeup in there or your essentials like body wash and all that kind of stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you, Jessie. That's lovely. I love it. I love it. Okay, look at our shred. How fun, right, guys? I do always save the shred. All right, let's see. Hold on. What's in here? Let's open the little one. Let's open this one. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I have some blue ink on my thumb, forgive me. I was making paper and I was spritzing it with some tie-dye coloring and I got it on my hand. That is so beautiful, Jessie. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, my friend. This is just stunning. Ah, how fun is this, you guys? All right, let's take this out and then I'm going to go ahead and move the big box. All right, here we go, my friends. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. Look how she decorated this box. It's so pretty. And I have a feeling this is the bottom, but it's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And then look at this around the side. Isn't it so pretty? Ah, it's so pretty. I just love it, Jessie. Oh, it's so fantastic. Oh, and look at this, you guys. She decorated the inside here. Wow, what pretty paper that is. It has a texture like wrapping paper. I don't know if it is wrapping paper, but it's just so beautiful. All right, let's see what we have in here. Oh, this is our sequin pack. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Thank you, Jessie. It's so lovely. Oh, I can't wait to make some shakers with that. Isn't it perfect, you guys? I love it so much. And then what do we have in here? I think this might be the ATC, but I don't know. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's have a look. See what we got. Oh, look, you guys. Oh, hold on. Let me get it out of the package. It's a mermaid keychain holder. Hold on. Let me get it out of here. How pretty. Look at it. Isn't it so pretty, you guys? I love it. Thank you, Jessie. That's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, look, more shred. How fun is that? Love that color. Ah, and here's some handmade goodies here. Let's have a look. I'll go ahead and move this out of the way. All right, let's have a look. I'm going to move this over. It might have come off of something, but I'm not sure. So let me get a little bit closer for you guys. There we go. Let's have a look. Ah, look at that. I love the octopus. He's so cool. And the little mermaid. Ah, that's so cute. I love that. It's an index card. An altered index card. That's fantastic. Oh, and look at her. Isn't she cute? Ah, she's so cute. I love her pink and purple hair. Oh, that's so cute. And that's got Jessie Miller on it. Aw, this might be her ATC. I'm not 100% sure. And then look at this. So pretty. We've got some washi tape and some paper layers. I love it. So pretty. Aw. And then look at this, you guys. It's so pretty. Look at her. With her pretty tail and everything. Ah, this is so pretty. I love it so much. Okay, this came off of here. I can glue that back on, no problem. Oh, I love this. It's a big tag. It's so cool. And then look, I flip it over and there's a little space to write. Aw, thank you, Jessie. I love everything. It's so fantastic. Thank you so much for not only helping me with this collaboration, but also for being my swap partner. I love everything. Look, here it all is. I love it all. It's so beautiful. Oops, where can I put this where it'll fit? Everything is beautiful. Thank you so much. My friends, please go check out all of my other friends. They will be listed in the description box. So check them out. Give them some crafty love. Thanks for watching. See you soon.